On Shabbos, Daf Yud Beis, the Gemara says, "Mishiyesh lo chole besoch beito." If a person has a sick person in his house, tzarich sheyarvenu besoch chole Yisrael. When he davens for him, he needs to daven for him together with all the other sick people in Klal Yisrael, and that is how the Shulchan Aruch rules in Yoredei Siman Shin Lamed Hey. We daven for the sick person, and we include him with our prayers for all the sick people in Am Yisrael. Chafetz Chaim told a story. Reb Shlomo Kluger was once invited to be a sandik. He came to the house and he saw that everybody goes in and out from a certain room, and they all look very worried and sad. And he asked, "What's going on?" They told him, "The father of the baby is very sick. He is about to die. So we're waiting. We don't want to start the bris. We want to wait until he dies so we can name the baby for the father that's about to die." And Reb Shlomo Kluger told him, "No, we're going to do the bris right now." He went to the sick bed, to the person who was very sick, the father of the baby, and he explained to him, "We can't force an angel of refuah to come here, but we can force the angel of the bris to come, and once he's here, we'll just tell him to go to your room and to heal you." This sick person, after 3 days, was walking as if nothing happened. He was all healed. Said the Chafetz Chaim, that's what happened with Avraham Avinu and Lot. There were 3 angels that were sent. One was to tell Sarah, "You're going to have a baby." The other one was to heal Avraham. And the third, to turn over the city of Sodom. Later, the angel that healed Avraham was sent to save Lot. Is there a shortage of malachim upstairs? Why is it that the angel who saved Avraham was now asked to do another mission, to save Lot? Explained the Chafetz Chaim, Lot on his own wasn't worthy for a malach to come especially for him. But once the malach was already down here, healing Avraham, so they asked him to perform another mission and to go save Lot. If he's already here, he can come and fix the situation, but Lot certainly wasn't worthy that a malach would come especially for him.